40 English questions begin here. Show your real level. Let's start. Find the closest synonym of social. Answer D, friendly. Which is a synonym of detect? Answer B, discover. What does be quick off the mark mean? Answer D, react quickly. What does cost an arm and a leg mean? Answer C, very expensive. Choose the antonym of crude. Answer A, refined. What is the antonym of counterfeit? Answer D, genuine. Choose the antonym of brave. Answer B, cowardly. Choose the correct plural of piano. Answer C, pianos. What is the plural form of prognosis? Answer A, prognoses. Choose the correct plural of means. Answer C, means. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer A, if he studies hard, he might pass the exam. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer C, the artist's creativity in painting is remarkable. Can you guess the missing word? Answer B, they hadn't seen each other for years before reconnecting. What is the past form of prove? Answer D, proved. Choose the past tense of redo. Answer C, redid. Choose the correct spelling. Answer D, chemical. Choose the correct spelling. Answer B, biography. Pick the correct spelling. Answer D, irrational. Identify the correct spelling. Answer A, reaction. Which is a synonym of unfaithful? Answer B, disloyal. Pick a synonym of law. Answer A, rule. Choose a synonym of agile. Answer D, nimble. What does make ends meet mean? Answer C. Earn enough. What does show your true colors mean? Answer A. Show self. What does call the shots mean? Answer D. Be boss. Choose the antonym of integration. Answer A. Division. Opposite of obtain. Answer B. Lose. Choose the correct plural of tooth. Answer C. Teeth. What is the plural form of moose? Answer D. Moose. Choose the correct plural of alga. Answer B. Algae. Fill the gap. Answer C. She could have left without saying goodbye. Can you guess the missing word? Answer A. She explained that she was working late. Fill the gap. Answer C. There is little traffic on the road today. Can you guess the missing word? Answer B. Neither of the answers is correct. What's the past tense of throw? Answer A. Through. Choose the past form of wear. Answer C. Wore. Almost done. Last for questions. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Suggest. Pick the correct spelling. Answer D. Ascertain. Identify the correct spelling. Answer C. Elongate. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Element. Congratulations! You finished the quiz. What's your score? Tell us and subscribe.